Good day, everyone. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing this beautiful face for the very first time, you are so much welcome. And if you haven't subscribed, please try and subscribe to my channel. Like, share, and comment. So in today's video, we're making porridge with just 3 ingredients. And first of all, yes, that is our leftover stew. That is our main ingredient for this porridge jam. The leftover stew, you just pour it inside the pot. Then the next thing you're going to do is for you to bring your blended pepper and onion. Then you just pour it inside the pot. Guys, you will thank me later. Take me later for this my sharp recipe. Honestly, it's just the best. It's a very way of making your porridge jam sharp. Or if your kids are going to school, instead of you start trying tomato and all of that and be disturbing people around that kind of 5, we normally used to wake up to prepare the kids for school. You just remove stew from the normal Sunday stew we normally make on Sundays, or whenever you make stew, just remove the one you're going to use for your porridge jam. That's just the secret. So that is what I just did. I just removed stew from my normal Sunday, normal Sunday stew. That is what I'm using for this porridge. That's all. You can see I've already poured my blended pepper and onion inside that same stew, and I added just little water for it. Just water. The water I'm even adding is the one that is going to be even enough to prepare the yam, and it not even take me time. Honestly, guys, it didn't take me time for this food to be ready. It not take me time. Before you know, I was even having a guest in the house, and sharp. I didn't waste time, and the food was ready. Everybody ate. It's not the one that you be in the kitchen. You start from beginning. You start cooking. You do this one, do that one. That would be good, and the person will be hungry. Do you understand? So now I just added my blended crayfish inside the pot for it to cook together with. Sorry about that. For it to cook together with what I'm preparing. So after that, I'll just cover my pot. No, I didn't cover it. I just added my no. I don't know. I love using no so much. I don't know if you guys have. If you're not using no, though it's not an advert, no, they are not paying you. I just love using no. Mostly the one that has chicken. Not chicken is my favorite, guys. If you have not tried it, just try and try it. Just try, get it and try it. You add just little salt, not too many salt. Besides, your stew is already having enough ingredients inside it already, so you don't need to add too many salt inside your food. Please, salt is not really that good for us, so just add little quantity inside what you are cooking. So after adding, just stir it so that everything can combine together, and you just put your yam inside it already. Just put it direct so that everything will just cook. Sharp food though. I call this one sharp food, and it came out very nice and lovely, guys. Something you're going to try. Just try it in the house. It's very lovely. You will thank me later. You say, Julie ways or more. This thing, Now you just add your chopped onion inside it. Oh, Chimo. Olili biam no. If you know the song, you know. Oh my goodness. the food. After preparing it, some of my friend was like, hey, what kind of recipe is this? I said, okay. I didn't waste much time for her to just eat the food, and she was very thankful. Honestly, she was very, very thankful. Just decided to clear my dishes and make everywhere to be, need to know as you're cooking, you just be cleaning up so that everywhere will not be messy. Now so poto. Ooh, very nice, guys. Thumbs up, yeah. Yeah, just try it. Thank me later. You see, the yam is ready. My friend is just like, give me, oh, I'm hungry. Let me eat this food, oh. You can see na nenu ji nenanya. Very lovely. It came out so nice. So please subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you in my next video. Cheers.